So I'm going to explain what you have to do for our department website development. So first of all, go to the map digs and click all user, group folders, cset, and then edit. Click on the department AMAT department website, and then click on the work distribution first. So if you click on that PDF or Word file, it's the same thing, and you will see what you have to do for your part of this website design. Now the academics, most of this information will be pulled directly from the catalog. So most of the thing you don't really have to work on. However, if you would like to say a couple of things, for example, how to apply, you can say contact the admission office for the application process. We don't accept application directly to the department. However, all the information regarding that will be populated directly from the university website or database. Now what you have to work on is the academic is actually the biggest one, so there's a lot more work for me to get all this information from different websites. Now we have to work on these primarily, the facilities, and so if you look at this, I have these different labs, and then who is responsible for that. So I have already done the fluid lab. I will show you that, and then let me open the example for the so I have posted few template examples. If you click one of these templates, so there should be a folder called template examples. Let's open this one. So that's the, when you click on there, this is what you should see. So title will be less than 10 words, and then headlines also again less than 10 words. Let me explain the difference between title and headline. Now when you mouse over here, you see mail Shaheen Ahmed. Here you see one of the video is uploaded. I'm just uploading one of the class videos like this. If you click on this, for example, mouse over on this page, it says Inia now playing on Pandora. So that's the title. When you click on that, you don't really see that sentence, Inia now playing on Pandora. You see Inia radio here. So that is the headline. So title, when you mouse over somewhere, that's what you see. User want to know which tab has what kind of information, and when they click on that page or on that page, they see the headlines. So if I go back to that document, the fluid power lab example document, so when they're already in that lab, in our department page, they only see fluid power lab. So but when they mouse over, they see fluid power lab of automotive. So try to make the title a little bit more broader than the headlines, because headline they're already on our page, so we just simply say fluid power lab. Now summary, it should be under 40 words. Google is not showing more words now, and this is not seen by our user when they click on that page. So let me show you something, the difference between summary and the body content. So if I search the openeducator.com, the Open Educator site, you see that it says that not education, I want educator. So you can see here, this is the summary example. So Google shows a short description of the site right under the search. Now if I click on there, this summary is not visible until I put it in the body content. So this is behind the scene, it's hiding behind. So if you click on there here, you really don't see that description that I have. So summary should be concise and strong, so when people read that, they will be willing to kind of click on there and get interested and see more what's in there. So that's the difference between summary and body content. So body content, that's the user see. Summary That's not what they see. That is just for the Google use that some kind of metadata to search the site and also put that under the search description. The body content, that's what when they click on that particular page, that's what they see. So you can see, there is no word limit, you can have as much as you want, like that. And then if you want to have a video, we can have that there too. And then keywords, it doesn't have limits either, just try to find as many combinations as possible. And then I want to show you something else. So once you give me all this information, this is our site where I will upload all the information, and then all of us will have access to it. We can read it and see any change you need. I think once we upload all the content information here, it first approved by the department and it goes to the college, and then probably it goes to one of the website marketing department at MSU, and they finally approve it, and then finally it goes into that new website look or whatever. So for academics, most of the stuff, as I said, will be pulled from the catalog, what we have to work on the facility. So the labs, and so I already shows one of the example for labs. So if I come on labs, fluid power labs, so I have already worked on that. So you can see this is the title, I put the headlines there, the summary, body content. It does not allow to directly copy or paste pictures here, so you have another tab for the images, so you can upload images here. Give me only the images, it's in the document. I also want the document as attachment because I want to see where you want the image to be placed. Without that I won't be able to, so I'm going to be uploading that as well. So here we got the whole document, so we'll be uploading the image. I'll keep the image here, and then keywords goes in another page. So I would like to show you the example for the research lab, one of the research. So I have completed the human factors and ergonomics. I really don't know I should have this in the lab or research page. That would be the department decision, but I think it kind of fall both, so I did the lab/research. So that's the title, that's the headline, that's the summary. It should be strong enough so people when they see that in Google description right after the search engine, that is a certified professional ergonomist, anything that might attract. So training is provided, things like that. So should be strong enough for the user so that they can get more, they want to know more about it, and they will click on that page and then come to our site. So this is the body content. This is primarily kind of both combination of lab and the research. So the type of lab work they do in human factors and ergonomics, now especially in one of my classes, and then that class what they do, and couple of class project and student stuffs gets published, that is also here. And then I also provide training, so I have that in the link. So training on human factor ergonomics are provided, and recent publications like that. Now, if you have lots of projects and publications, you can have another page. Like here I have a separate page for that recent publication. If you have a lot of them, we can have a separate page. Otherwise we can have everything in one page, so that depends on you. And also if you want to have any emails, give me that in the map disk, upload it in the map disk, and then I will post it here, and then keywords. So what I need from you is the title, headline, summary, body content, images that you want, or video, and also keywords. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about. The good thing is about the new catalog, we should be able to pull most of this stuff under academic from the catalog or from the university page. So all we have to work on is research and facilities. Now people, I'll have very basic information on our page. However, if you want something little bit more, then we can have something like this. So you have to tell me whether you want that or not. So I'm going to search me, and then this is my university site. page. So if you want something like this, a detail about you want to put a lot of stuff, if you give me all this information, it doesn't take probably, I don't know, 20 minutes for me to copy and paste it in the system, and you can have a nice site like that. But for the department, we'll kind of keep it as short as possible. Just name, you can see the example, just degree, certificate, interest. We didn't come up with a consistent format yet. What would be the faculty page information? So we'll have to decide that one as well. However, to start with, we can start the facilities, the labs, the research part. So that will kind of give us kind of start, and then we'll figure out rest of this stuff. All right.